I'm going to talk about a tax break that was granted to businesses to stimulate their activity a number of years ago. The percentage is up to 9% now of its qualified production activity income. That's a net income figure. So this is mostly in relation to manufacturing companies, construction companies, both building and remodeling. Could be software development companies, engineering, architectural, selling, leasing, licensing of motion pictures, for instance, and other items. All this is in regard to activity here in the United States substantially. And the percentage of income, qualified production activity income, started off pretty low. Now it's up to 9%, so it's a pretty good tax break. It hopefully will be around for some time to come. The deduction is calculated based on arriving at the gross domestic receipts first, and they would consist of any sales, exchanges, leases, rental, licensing, or other disposition of qualified production property. So basically your income pertaining to those activities. The net nature of this is you have to subtract out certain expenses from this qualified production activity income. And these expenses consist of the cost of goods sold that are allocable to these activities, just the gross domestic production gross receipts that I included, deductions, expenses, or losses that are directly attributable to these activities, and certain other deductions that are not directly allocable to these activities. So you've got to get into the rules, take a look at your situation, and see if it applies to you. This activity does not include businesses such as painting, leasing, licensing to related parties, selling food or beverages prepared at a retail establishment. Call me if you got any questions.